everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone! Michaels put out their October grab boxes, and I have to show you what's in mine. These boxes are always full of goodies and surprises. Michaels puts these out after major holidays and at the end of the season. They are full of clearance items and odds and ends that didn't sell at full price. Let's open one up and see what you can get for only $10. The first thing out of the box are two of these Yay, It Is Your Special Day chalkboards. They are both reversible, and they would be good for the first day of school or also birthdays. Next is this rose gold metal card holder. It says tabletop decor, so you could also just use it as nice decoration around your home. We have one pink pencil case. Inside it, it looks like there are some alphabet letter stickers to personalize the case. We definitely hit the back to school clearance section because in this box we also got 11 of these cute striped jumbo erasers. There are a few more erasers. This is a 6-pack of dinosaur 3D erasers. This one is a pack of blank index cards with a cute school-themed cover. Next is this bright pink Good Vibes ID holder for backpacks or luggage. There were also 3 packages of pins, one more hair clip that I missed the first time. This one is pink and white checkered. In the box were 4 little fidget toys that pop together. There is a little gamer control notebook, 3 squishy backpack charms, one more Creatology ID holder, 3 Creatology bracelets, and lastly, 1 Creatology donut pen. Well, there you go. This is everything I got inside one Michaels grab box. This box was jam-packed with lots of good stuff for kids. All of this combined is easily over $100, and we got this for only $10. My favorite part was the rose gold card holder. Well, thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to subscribe to see more unboxing videos, and of course, all things Cricut and sublimation.